Untitled Geometry class. Today we are going to learn about tangent ratio. Tangent ratio. Last video I already explained you what is trigonometric ratio. Basically the ratio of any two sides of right triangle. And then I told you there were three kinds of ratios: sine, cosine, and tangent. So now we're moving to some specific kind of ratio that's called tangent ratio, and we start for that. It's next page. So trigonometric ratio I already explained you, and tangent. In order to talk about tangent, we use an abbreviation for tangent. We use tan, and I already explained you how you for tan it is TOA. The expression to find tangent, that is TOA, opposite over adjacent leg. So that we have to remember. Tangent means we have to talk about TOA. And the next one is, it is about angle of elevation. What is angle of elevation? Suppose you are here, you're standing here. All right, elevation will be when you're motivated, you're very happy, you will look up. So if this is the horizontal line from your eye level, and after that, if I'm saying angle of elevation, I'm talking about this angle. This angle is going to be angle of elevation, whatever the measurement is. And then if I say angle of depression, so it's going to be this one. When you're depressed, you will look down, your head is down, so this is angle of depression. You can remember it like that. So it's always going towards down, and that's always going towards up. So that's angle of elevation, angle of depression. After that, we are going to learn about tangent ratio. So let's move to that. Tangent ratio, here we have been given this right triangle, and for this one I told you for tangent the expression is always like this. That's going to be I remember I told you that's TOA, or in simple words T is O over A. Just to remember, don't write it like this, but to make it our things easier, T is O over A. So if I have to write, so we write tangent of angle A. If I'm interested in finding tangent of this angle A, keep in mind angle A. We're finding tangent of this angle A. So that I told you that's O over A. O means opposite leg. For this angle A, opposite leg is this one. And then A means adjacent leg, and adjacent leg is going to be this one. This is adjacent leg. So we have, this is opposite, BC is opposite, and adjacent is AC, and that's written here. So AC is here and BC is here. BC is in red, so this is here, BC over AC. So if I just, let me write down again in different color, BC over AC. So this red one, this red leg over the yellow leg, if I'm finding the tangent of angle A. In the same example, what if I'm trying to find, suppose let me redraw it. I'm going to redraw the same example. This is my triangle, and they have named it, this is a right triangle, and they name it A, B, C. And now instead of finding the adjacent or the tangent for angle A, they want us to find the tangent for angle B. So if I need to find tangent for angle B, and I told you that's O over A, TOA, O over A. O means opposite leg, and A means adjacent leg. Now the location will change. When we look at it, for this opposite leg is this one now. So it is just the context of the angle's location. Where is it? Accordingly it will change. So it means it is now AC over, and then adjacent leg for angle B, my adjacent leg is this one over BC. So that you have to understand how you're going to take adjacent and opposite based on the location. Adjacent is always the next one and opposite is the one which is far away. So both legs are used in order to find tangent. That you have to remember. That's it for the day. I hope you get it. I want you to review the videos. Any questions, let me know. Till then, stay healthy. Bye.